The LumberMan26 is a low-cost sawmill for those customers wanting to get into sawmilling economically. The LumberMan26 mills logs 26 inches in diameter and square beams or boards 17 inches wide. Standard, the Lumberman can mill logs 12 feet long. With available extension sections, logs of any length can be milled. Simple and fun to operate, the LumberMan26 is the ideal entry-level mill to make custom lumber and cants for family building projects. The Lumberman shares many features and components as the LumberMate 29, such as track underwheels, blade lube system, lumber scale with kerf allowance, lumber production table, available cam dogs, and available log loading and log rotating system. The LumberMan26 is operated at ground level with included adjustable footpads. For elevated operations, a set of 10 leveling legs are available as an option. The multi-function operator's handle is standard. One simple action releases the built-in braking, throttles up the engine, and engages the clutch. The Lumberman is equipped with Norwood's time-tested precision guide rollers. The blade guide holders are secured in a fixed position to suit the full capacity of the mill. Shipped in kit form as other Norwood mills, the basic LumberMan26 can be assembled in a single day. Always in stock, your mill can be shipped immediately to your home. This means you can have your mill quickly, usually within a week to 10 days. Many of the other time-saving accessories available to the LumberMate 29 and LumberPro 36 can be installed onto the Lumberman. And as your requirements grow, they can be added at any time, now or well into the future. Norwood is the only company capable of growing with your needs in this way. We promise to continue this tradition.